Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, inshallah, we are going to learn dua for beneficial knowledge, good provision, and accepted deeds. It is mentioned in one of the hadith that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the morning prayer. While he said the salam, he would say, Allahumma Inni as'aluka Ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutakhabbala. Allahumma Inni as'aluka Ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutakhabbala. Let us now learn the meaning of this dua word by word. Allahumma means, O Allah. Inni asaluka. Inni asaluka means, I ask you for. Ilman nafi'an. Ilm means knowledge. Nafi'an means that is beneficial. Wa rizqan. Wa means and rizqan tayyiban means good provision. Wa amalan mutakhabbala. Wa means and, amal means deeds, mutakhabbala means that will be accepted. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. Allahumma inni asaluka ilman nafiyan wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutakhabbala. The meaning of the whole dua is, O Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge and good provision and deeds that will be accepted. Recite this dua after Fajr Salah every day. Jazakallahu khairan.